good morning. I'll show you how I will. Kiss man nga rood. The reaction of my dog. Look at the eyes. Close your eyes. Why like that? Why are you closing? Eyes. Why like this? And you? And you? Show me. Show me. Asan na ang you? And you? I don't know my dog why doesn't like to kiss me. Tata? 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 Kiss me man nga rood. Tata? May tata? Apay nga gayang? Tata? Look at the eyes. Apay nga gayang dugdug ko. Come on na. Tata? 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 Why like this? Why like this? Why like this? Why like this my tongue? You and tata. Ano kiss-kiss amo? Why your eyes? I like this eyes. Like kawawa. Like poo baba. Mwah! Tata! Mwah! One more kiss from my ang you. At ang you? Ala, pa ngay gayam. Ang you. No kiss amo. Ang you. Apa ngay gayam? Kiss me nga rod. Kiss me. Kiss me. Why close eyes? Ay, nako. Kiss na. Okay, that's all for now. My naughty crazy. Atang, you don't like kiss. Bye-bye now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.